Describe fully each of the numbered and bracketed melodic intervals. Example, perfect fit. So that's what you have to do. So intervals are distance between two notes. Okay, so and here is melodic interval. Okay, so the first here we have is distance from A to D flat. Remember D is flattened here, so it affects the D here. And then remember the accidentals doesn't affect the quantity of the interval, it only affects the quality. So what's the quantity here? That's the distance between A to D. Is it a foot, a feet? Okay, A, B, C, D. So it's a foot. So we have here distance between A to D is a foot. And what type of foot? Since it's flattened, so is it a perfect or a diminished? So the answer here is that it is a diminished foot. So distance between A to D flat is a diminished foot. So the first one here we have is a diminished foot. So we are done with that. Okay, the second one is the distance between G to F sharp. Remember F is sharp on here, so it affects the F here. So what's the distance between G to F sharp? Is it a major or a minor? So let's first of all find the quantity. So G, A, B, C, D, E, F. So it's a seventh. So what type of seventh? So the simplest way to know is for you to find out if F sharp is in the key of G. So you see it is. So that makes it a major seventh. So the second one here is a major seven. Now the next one is the distance between E flat to A. Is A in the key of E flat? No. So, but let's first of all find the quantity. E flat, F, G, and A. So it's a fourth. So what's the quality now? So is it a perfect fourth or augmented fourth? So the answer is gonna be, since this A is augmented, if it was A flat, it would have made it a perfect fourth. So the answer here is augmented fourth. E flat to A is an augmented fourth. So the next one here we have is C sharp to C sharp. Remember C was sharp on here, so it affects the OC. So what's the distance between C sharp to C sharp? Simplest, it's just an octave, so it's a perfect octave. So the distance between is a perfect octave. That's B8. All right, so the next one is F sharp to D. What's the distance? What's the quality and the quantity? Let's count. We have F sharp, we have G, A, B, C, D. So it's a sixth. So the quantity is a sixth. So what type of sixth? Since it's already F sharp to D, D is not in the scale of F sharp, but rather if it was D sharp, we would have made it a major sixth. So that makes it a minor sixth. So the distance between F sharp to D is a minor sixth. So that's all. And then the second one is